FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Pwnage ZenBlade 65 V2. So we got a little briefcase. A briefcase boy. Some clippy boys. Nice. Okay. Oh man, that is a chonker. Got some stickers. Shiny. Alright. Nice little protective sleeve. If I can ever get it out of it. Holy shit. That is... Wow, that's pretty. I think I have a mouse pad to match this. A glass pad. Damn, that's nice. Oh, okay. We got some grip tape for keys. Interesting. Keycap puller. Very stiff cord. Looks like it's pretty long though. We've got a anime weeby face plate thingy. I don't know how the fuck. Instruction booklet and another sticker. Okay. Let's see. Here's some keyboard. A really cool design. It's got a back plate on the back. This thing's got to weigh, I don't know, at least 5 pounds. Chunky boy. All right. That's a very simple unboxing of the ZenBlade. I'm going to hook this bad boy up. Very excited. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Short video. Real easy.